Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the oven temperature sensor in your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because your oven is not heating evenly, because you're not getting enough heat, or because your oven is getting too hot. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver and 2 pairs of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. And keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So to take our gas line off, I'm going to use 1 pair of channel locks, and I want to hold on to this part right here. And I'm going to use our other pair of channel locks in order to grab the line. And I'm going to twist both of them in opposite directions. That way we're not spinning endlessly while we're trying to loosen it. Now I've got that loose, I can undo it by hand the rest of the way. So now that we've got everything unhooked, we're going to turn our stove around. So now we're going to take our 1/4-inch nut driver. We've just got a few screws to remove around the edge of this panel. Now when I remove this screw, I'm going to hold the panel so it doesn't fall down on me. I just have to undo a little bit, and it should come right off. Alright, so our temperature sensor is behind all these wires here. It's going to be this piece here. So what we're going to do is unclip the wire. And now I'm going to take our 1/4-inch nut driver again and remove the screw holding on this bracket. And now I can pull off the sensor. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement temperature sensor. If you don't have one yet, you can find one on our online store. So now we're just going to insert the temperature sensor into this hole again, and just line up the bracket there with that hole. We get our screw and our 1/4-inch nut driver, and tighten that into place. And now we're going to reconnect the wire here from the sensor. And make sure the clip and the tab line up, and click it back into place. And we'll line up our panel here. There we go. And before we tighten it up top, we'll just make sure all of our screw holes down here line up, which they do. So now we can tighten up this top hole. And now we'll put in the rest of the screws here. Now that that's back together, we can turn it back around and hook up our gas. So now we're going to reconnect our stove to the gas line. Tighten it the rest of the way with our channel locks. In case your adapter is spinning inside, I want to get another pair of channel locks just to hold that in place. And then you can tighten it the rest of the way. There we go. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.